5 Lies about digital transformation. There is a lot of misinformation out there with business and digital transformation right now. There is also a high failure rate in these business and digital transformation programs that implement these transformations. We've helped rescue some of the largest transformation programs in the UK. Some of those programs were struggling for up to 2 years before we got called in to fix them. Although the programs and industries were different, they all had the common problems. The problems, however, weren't what the client was told. Here's the 5 lies about digital transformation. 1. Throwing more technology at the transformation will speed it up. 2. Throwing more money at the problem will fix it. 3. Throwing more resources at the problem will fix it. 4. Not involving the business in the development of the future operating model will build them a future operating model they need. 5. Not involving the business, understanding their needs and concerns will speed it up. If you find yourself in that situation, the good news is it's solvable, and easier than you think. This is what you need to know. 1. To do more, you need to do less too. Throwing more technology, money and resources at the problem will not speed it up or fix it, it will only introduce new problems. 3. You need to step back and take stock of what you have done. If you are on a digital or technology-driven transformation, chances are you have got technology stakeholders dictating to the business stakeholders what they think are the problems they are solving, and the priority they need to be solving them in. 4. You have to make sure the number 1 requirement, the vision, is clearly articulated, and decomposed into strategies, how, objectives, what, and measures, when. 5. Trace all the work you are currently doing back to the vision, and if there is no traceability, ask, why are you doing it, or why are you doing it in that order? And reprioritize from there. What usually happens in large transformation programs is technology stakeholders have taken over the conversation and have dictated the future to the business. The reason why the program is stalled, delayed or running 1 to 2 years past the deadline isn't because the technology that is or would be developed is no good, or the technology staff are incapable. Oh no, they are very capable. The reason why the program is over budget and past its due date is because in most cases the technology stakeholders, in their excitement to play with their new toys or shiny new object, got frustrated with the business trying to understand the problems and concerns, that they have gone and developed their own interpretation behind closed doors, in effort to make the process faster, but in doing so, have ignored the business voices, the voice of the customer, that now the business are rejecting each and every design, solution option and iteration the technology stakeholders have put forward. Before you throw out the baby with the bath water, put some structure and process in place, step back and do more with less. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think.